Hello everyone, welcome back to Lyyia's Loves. Today we have another Accio unboxing. So let's go ahead and just open this box up. I'm so excited. I forgot that I was expecting a box, so this is super cool. I have no idea what the theme is. So let's open it up, and if this is your first time ever seeing an Accio box, you get to pick your house, and I am House Slytherin. So I have green tissue paper, and there is your sneak peek. I actually have no idea what the theme this month is. So let's open up the Daily Prophet really quickly. I want to hide any sneak peeks. So let's see, magical creatures. So that is the theme of this month. So let's see what we have here. I'm gonna say I noticed, first of all, a wearable. So let's open this right up. And oh my god, we get a Demiguise Protection Society. This is one of the Fantastic Beasts, and I love that it's gray. Gray is my favorite color to wear for fabric. So, sorry, I keep hitting the camera. So that's what that looks like. And in the back, it has the label of the company, the Protego Foundation. So I actually love this. I love it. I love Harry Potter wearables that if you didn't know it was Harry Potter, then you wouldn't know. So you have to be on the cool list to know. The next thing we have is another pin. And oh crap, I forget the name of this creature, but I will put it down below. And it's really nice. I'm starting to wear pins now. That's really cute. I'm gonna make sure you guys get to see the details of the sparkle in there. And let's see, that is the second magical creature. So we got a Demiguise and, oh my gosh, I'm gonna get that name. Hold on just a second. So, let's see. This is the third thing we have in the box. And by the way, Accio, all of these products are individually made, so you're not gonna find them anywhere else. And we have some relaxing salt soak for the bath, swooping evil venom. Oh, that's awesome! The swooping evil. I wish I had a swooping evil thing. So let's see. So you would just put this in the bath. I love bath products, and this will be a great addition, especially since it's winter time. Let's see if we can open this up. So that's what it looks like inside. Ooh, and I see like a flower, some salt, some goodness. Ooh, and it smells really sweet too. So I like that. So that was 3 things we got so far. And what else do I have here? Oh, like a keychain that says Muggle worthy. So let's take it out of the package so we can look at it closer. Try to open this up with my nails. And it's really flexible. Oh, and it has a little Slytherin emblem because I am in House Slytherin. Can you guys see that? There we go. And Muggle worthy. I think that's almost it. I have a piece of, oh, is this like a print? Oh my gosh, did we get a print? What? Fly with the Thunderbird, King of Storms. Let me put this down You guys see that? So you can read that. I'm gonna zoom in here. Isn't that cute? And it's located in the desert of Arizona. Oh, that is so cute. I am so excited for Fantastic Beasts. It's actually coming out this weekend, so I'm super excited for this box. Well, that was everything. Now let's look at the spoiler card. So we got the t-shirt, the Demiguise Protection t-shirt, and it's a very soft t-shirt. I love that it's gray and like Fantastic Beasts isn't so prominent. Next we got Newt's padlock keychain, and I got the Slytherin because I'm in House Slytherin. Then we got the Accio exclusive Flying Thestral enamel pin. We got the Swooping Evil Venom Relaxing Sea Salt Soak. And oh, we could have got one of these 4 printouts here. See if I can make that clear for you guys. And could have got, oh, I can't even read that. I see Niffler, I see Bowtruckle, I see Thunderbird, and WONDR, Romania. So, yep, that was the box. I am so excited every time I get this box. I've never had an issue with like late shipping. I am subscribed to a couple Harry Potter themed boxes, and let me tell you that getting things to your house at the time they said it was going to be at your house is a struggle, but I've never had that problem with Accio, and I think this is like my 3rd or 4th box from them. So I am super happy with them, and I can't wait for the December box. So thank you so much for watching. Give this video a thumbs up, 2 thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.